Been in this coop for, let's see. So I know it's cold. I put you some straw down, some pine needles. They've been in this coop for 2 nights, 2 days. It's a long time to be stuck in there. You gonna come out for a minute? Before the sun goes back down, it gets icy cold again. Come on, bring him out. Come on, I got you some pine needles you can jump on. There you go. What do you think? No, it's cold. Y'all gonna come out? Uh-oh, who closed the door? There you go. Come on out, Peeper. You look so big there. You're one of my babies. Come on out. It's cold, I know. It's a lot of snow. It's about 2 foot deep there. Just a big old drift. Changing their minds. Hey, you already had some bread. Want some corn? Want some corn? Let me get you some. Yeah, you big guy. Okay. Harry, come here, Harry. Oh, it's so cold. Hey, babe. You guys want some of that? Come on, little peepers. Come on out. Where are you going? Come on, Harry. It'll be so cold. It's a long time to be in there. Cooped up. Mr. T. It's gonna cluck. What do you want, Mr. Come here. Harold. Okay. Let's get some more corn inside. I don't know what y'all did with your feeders. It's really dirty in there. Oh my gosh. That's what it looks like after you've cooped up 21 chickens in the same spot for 4 days. No, it's not 4. It's about 3. Harry, you're flying, really? It's flying. I heard you. Trying to stay out of the snow? Now where to? Everybody else has gone in. See if you'll eat some corn. Some corn, buddy? You want some corn? Look here. Here. Some corn? No. Are you mad at me? I didn't do it, really. Come on. Want some corn? Nope. If I leave you some right here. Nope. I know it's not very fun out when you're locked up for such a long time. It's very cold. Hey, little peepers. Pants, you guys want some food up there? Come on, peepers, come on down. You can come down. Come here, little guy. Is it good? Listen to Harry trying to talk you guys to coming out. He's out here clucking away like one of the girls. Harry, why are you clucking like a girl? Babies are brave. Very good, Harry. Come on, I want to see you fly. Come on, buddy. Here comes. Whoa! That was pretty amazing. Guess you can stay out of the snow if you want. You want some? No, he's mad at me. But you're not attacking me, so that's cool. There you go, boy. But my finger. Really? Corn finger. Hey, babies. You want some more? Can you eat those? Oh, baby. Okay, how's your water? Let's get that cleaned up. How the rest of you girls? Are you laying too? Got any eggs? Man, that's nasty. We need to get that cleaned out. As soon as this passes, I think we can do that. Okay. How's your water? It's looking pretty gross too. Have to clean that out. But it's not frozen, so that's a plus. Okay. Let's see if we got any eggs today. None. None. Nice, there's a couple. 3. A pocket. Looks like my chickens that were molting are now laying again, which is good. Ooh, Mort, good job. 5 eggs today. Not bad for a dark winter day. Oh, so crowded in there.